Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most effective products out there. Today, we're talking about the best Carpenter Bee Catchers available, the Bee Warehouse Carpenter Bee Trap. If you're dealing with wood-boring bees on your property, this trap is the perfect solution to protect your home and outdoor spaces. Carpenter bees can cause significant damage by drilling holes into wooden structures, and traditional methods to get rid of them can be messy or ineffective. But the Bee Warehouse Carpenter Bee Trap makes it easy to catch and release these pests without harming them or damaging your property. This trap is designed for safe and humane catch and release. It features a unique latch that lets you easily close the chamber and take it to a remote location to release the bees. No more worrying about hurting the bees, and no more struggling with complicated traps. With the Bee Warehouse Trap, it's a simple process to relocate them safely. The extra large catch chamber means you won't have to empty it often, saving you time and effort. In fact, this trap typically only needs to be emptied once a year. It also has a range of effectiveness from 5 to 15 feet, giving you more coverage to catch bees from a distance. Plus, its design attracts only carpenter bees, so you won't have to worry about trapping other types of insects like honeybees or bumblebees. The trap is made from high-quality wood and plastic materials, combining durability with a natural look that blends well with your outdoor decor. It's easy to hang with the included hardware, and you can trust it to last through the seasons. For anyone looking for a quick, humane, and effective solution for carpenter bees, this is the trap you need. Protect your fences, decks, and wooden structures with the Bee Warehouse Carpenter Bee Trap. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of the best products out there.